circuit is given to you. Determine the ratio by V2 by V1 in the circuit. Already discussed about in the first sum. When we need to solve this kind of sums, the first thing is that we need to remove the coupling. If I need to remove the coupling, there are 4 options. Either the coupling can be both, coupling can be up. I am talking with respect to inductor. Down, up, down, down, up. When I have both the coupling towards up, I'll be replacing that coupling with respect to a voltage source. If both are up or both are down, it will be plus minus, plus minus. If it is a combination, if one coupling is above the inductor, if one coupling is below the inductor, so it will be minus, plus, minus, minus. So I have replaced both the coupling by a voltage source, plus minus, plus minus. Now, next comes the value for voltage source. The value for voltage source is given by the mutual coupled, that is nothing but M, that is J2. Then what is the further difference? The further difference, the word itself says the mutual coupling. This dot depends on this dot. In this dot, which current is flowing? I2. So over here you will be getting I2 dot. This dot depends on this dot. So in this dot, which current flows? I1. So over here you will be getting I2. So this will be a circuit. At the end, I need to find the ratio of V2 by V1. So let's do it part by part. In this loop, I'll be applying KVL. So I'll be writing, applying KVL in mesh 1, we get, add both the values, a real value as well as the imaginary value. So in this case, you will be getting 8 plus J8, the current flowing is I1, sign will be positive. Any other current? No, equal to. On equal to, you will be having 2 voltages. Current will enter negative, so you will be writing positive. Positive, you will be writing negative. Simplify it. Next. On equal to, you will be on RHS, you will be writing only the voltage source. All the unknowns current will be on the LHS side. Simplify it, you will be getting, my dear friend, 8 plus J8 I1 plus J2 I1 equal to J2 I2. In the earlier case also it was I2. So this was the equation number 1 which you got after solving mesh 1. Now apply KVL in mesh 2. We get, in mesh 2 you have a one real part, one imaginary part. Add both of them. 2 plus J2. Current flowing is I2 equal to, there are 2 voltage sources. So if it enters into positive, it is negative. Negative, it is positive. All the unknown current should be on the LHS side. So minus 2J I plus 2 plus J2 I2 equal to, it will be minus V. That will be equation number 2. So after getting equation number 1, here in this circuit, I need to find by ratio V2 by V1. When it is said, if I need to find a ratio in V2 by V1, the ultimately goals is like, after finding the unknown current, that is nothing but I1 and I2. After getting I1, I2, what I need to do with, what I'll be doing is, in this case will be, in equation number A, I'll be putting I1 equal to 0. When I put I1 equal to 0, I get a relation between V1 and I2. Again, when I put I1 equal to 0, I get a relation between V2 and I2. And when I take a ratio of this, so V2 upon V1, I'll be getting, in this case, only in terms of number. All the unknown current should be cancelled out. That's the main logic we need to look at it. So, next look we'll be having for it. In this case, let's do it. Now, question arises, why to take I1 0? Why not to take I2 0? In this circuit, when you solve an exam, it will be mentioned considering I1 equal to 0. If it would be I2, then you would have to take I2 equal to 0. You cannot assume on your own like you can take I1 or I2. It has to be given in question. Either it will be given in indirect manner that a loop 1 current is 0, that means I1. A loop 2 current is 0, that means I2. Either it will be mentioned directly, I1 is equal to 0 or I2 equal to 0. So that you need to carefully read your question properly. Since it's given I1 equal to 0, from equation number 1 we'll be getting J2 I2 equal to V1. That's the equation number C. Similarly, from equation number B, you'll be putting I1 equal to 0. So it will be 2 plus J2 I2 equal to minus V2. This will be equation number D. So after getting D and C and D, ultimately our role is that I need to obtain V2 upon V1. So V2 upon V1 you'll be obtaining by solving equation C and D. So ratio of D with respect to C, so you'll be getting V2 upon V1 minus V2 upon V1 is equal to, this will be 2 plus J2 I2 upon the V1 term is given as 2J I2. Your I2 terms will get cancelled, so you can shift this minus sign over here, so it will be minus 2 plus J2 whole upon J2. So your V2 upon V1 term will be, you just need to put your calculator in your complex mode. So bracket, this will be 2 plus 2I, because while writing, write J first. In calculator your imaginary term will be after your number. So divide by, it will be 2I bracket close. So your value which you get is minus bracket 1. It's a real part, and shift and equal to, so you get minus J1. That's the value is here which you got after taking the ratio of V2 upon V1. So that's the basic form which we got by using dot convention. Let's have more example on dot convention by coming some signing off. Thank you.